Hi everybody, it's Nonani. Welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So listen, you guys. If Tirelo and Amahle ever come across this video, can they go into the comment section and explain to me and some of the viewers this situation here? It looks like season 3 of Ingane Zesithembu is about who is going to be Mamkhulu. And to be honest, I don't understand why that is such a big thing. Who is going to be Mamkhulu? Maybe for Mpumelelo, it can be a big decision because he is the one that wants Isithembu. And for some reason, there is somebody that he wants, or a certain kind of person that he wants as Mamkhulu. It can be a BS, whatever his reasons are. They can be BS, the reasons. I don't care. But with the girls, I want to know, Ugozi, what is it that you are fighting for when you are fighting for the Mamkhulu position? What does it come with? Because indoda umpumelelo, umamkhulu indoda umpumelelo, umamncane indoda umpumelelo, we girlfriend indoda umpumelelo. Initially, my understanding was that uTirelo did not mind not being umamkhulu. She was not fighting for positions. She was just in love with Mpumelelo. Whether she's wife number 1 or wife number last or wife number middle, she was just wanting to be with the love of her life, which was Mpumelelo. But season 3 has made it clear that the fight is about who is going to be Mamkhulu. Now, I feel like we need to understand what comes with being Mamkhulu, especially when it comes to Mpumelelo. What does it come? What are the benefits of being Mamkhulu? Is the disrespect sweet when you are Mamkhulu? Does it feel sweet when you get ignored when you are Mamkhulu? When you get cheated on, does it feel warm in the heart when you are Mamkhulu? When he is sleeping around, not using protection, does your bank account become bigger and larger? What happens when you are Mamkhulu? We need to understand, because at this point, as old as we are, and as much as we have gone through a lot and have been in relationships, some of us have been in marriages and come out and went back and whatever. As much experience as we have in life, we are confused as to how and why you guys are fighting for Mamkhulu. In this past episode, Mpumelelo says that Tirelo said that if Mpumelelo takes someone else as the wife before her, she will rather remain a girlfriend. And I was like, girl, that's not really an ultimatum if you think about it, because if you remain a girlfriend forever, it's good for you, because then you can just get out of that relationship anytime you want to. But I'm not there. So that made me feel like then that means Tirelo does want to be Mamkhulu, because she is giving the ultimatums to Mpumelelo. Now, I want to know what happens when you are Mamkhulu. Does that mean that when you are Mamkhulu, the man is going to sleep at your house every day, even though he has other wives? Is that the reason? What comes with... I'm trying to understand. Okay. I was born in the 70s, honey. So it just might be that I'm not understanding the tempo of this generation, because why are you fighting so? What benefits come with being Mamkhulu when you are married to someone that does not even have a home, is at a point where he cannot even provide you with a home? So being a Mamkhulu, you are going to go and live at his father's house. the houses that his father's wives argue about. That's where you are going to go and, like, guys, just tell us, okay? Is the disrespect sweet when you are mamkhulu? Is the disregard making you feel more confident? Does it make you feel more confident when you are being disregarded just because you are mamkhulu? Tell us, you guys. We might not know, because maybe we should be fighting to be mamkhulus in our relationship and we don't even know. I just want to know, because at this point I'm confused. Because even Amahle, I thought she doesn't mind not being umamkhulu. But now that she's lobolwad, you can see that when they say to her that, okay, usublotsholwe but uzoma silobole uTirelo, then uTirelo abomamkhulu, even she doesn't want that. On the other hand, with Tirelo is like, listen, if you take a wife before me, then I'm not becoming a... What is it that comes with being mamkhulu? I don't know. I want to know. So if Amahle and Tirelo come across this video, please answer me. What are the benefits of being umamkhulu? Because at the end of the day, to us, it looks like you are still marrying Mpumelelo. The very same Mpumelelo ojola naye, okukhalisayo, who is not communicating well. The very same Mpumelelo who did not tell you that he was going to pay lobola for Amahle. And the very same Mpumelelo that Amahle, he did not tell you that as he is paying lobola for you, that lobola was supposed to go to Tirelo. That very same Mpumelelo. The one obene inkomo engazi uzolobola ba. Ubene inkomo. When they refused Tirelo, wayaka Amahle, but didn't tell Amahle, listen, gilobola wena because I couldn't go to Tirelo. At the very same time, he loboled Amahle without telling. And uTirelo got it, tada, 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 I have a wife. Like, tell us, guys, tell us in the comment section, because I'm confused, okay? But yeah, I'm too old sometimes to understand the things of the younger generation. Because, guys, I've never tasted sweet disrespect in my whole life. To me, disrespect is rough, you know? And in fact, I have allergic reactions in my body when I'm being disrespected. It happens all the time. Whether it's my husband, my friends, my neighbors, my colleagues. When I'm disrespected, I don't feel good. Okay? When I'm not being considered, it doesn't feel good. Okay? So, I'm thinking maybe we are missing something. We should all have fought to be mamkhulus, because all of these things that are not pleasant in relationships can just be sweet. Because clearly there is something that comes with being mamkhulu that these girls are fighting for, when the man that they are going to marry is the same man who isn't even a man yet. But okay, that's a topic for another video, okay? And now I'm confused as to what the big deal is with the position. However, we want to understand so that we can fight for you. You understand? Anyway, thank you so much. Ngimthanda.